Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make chicken with garlic butter mushrooms. You're going to start by heating up a large pan on medium-high with a little bit of oil. Meanwhile, season the chicken with half of the spice blend and salt and pepper. So once it's hot, you're going to add the chicken breasts to the pan and cook them partially covered. It's about 6 to 8 minutes per side or until the chicken is cooked completely through. While the chicken is still cooking, you can make the vinaigrettes. Juice the lemon in a small bowl and combine the whole grain mustard, the garlic. Now I'm not going to say any measurements about the lemon juice or the garlic because it's really up to how you like it. Now you're going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And don't forget to season it with salt and pepper. So by now the chicken should be ready, so we're going to transfer it into another plate and we're going to keep the pan as it is. We're not going to wash it because we're going to use it later. After you've washed the mushrooms, we're going to quarter all of them. Almost done quartering all the mushrooms, you can heat up the same pan we used for the chicken on medium-high with 1 tablespoon of butter. Now we're going to add the mushrooms to the pan. Now we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of garlic. And also we're going to season it with the spice blend and salt and pepper. You're going to want to be stirring occasionally, and also if you want you can add lemon juice. So now I'm going to wash the baby greens. In my case I'm using spinach. Don't forget to dry it after you've washed it. And you're going to add as much as you'd like of the vinaigrette to the baby greens. And lastly, you are going to plate your dish. So the first thing we're going to do is cook the kitchen on each side until make the vinaigrette. Juice a lemon in a small bowl.